Today I'm going to show you how to make my festive brownies. I've also posted a list of all the ingredients you need as well as the equipment. With the chocolate, with your dark chocolate, I'd make sure that your cocoa solids are over 40% but less than 60, so you get a nice rich taste, but it isn't overpoweringly bitter. So first you'll want to switch your kettle on and put your stove to 160 fan, 180 for a non-fan and 4 for gas. Break the chocolate into the glass bowl. Add your butter. And you'll use this pan and glass bowl as a bain-marie. So next you'll need to fill the pan up with hot water. Put that on the stove and watch it occasionally and mix to make sure the chocolate doesn't burn. Chop up your white chocolate and milk chocolate into chunks. Next, you'll want to line your baking tray with parchment paper. Remember to occasionally stir your chocolate and butter mix. Sieve the flour and the cocoa powder into a mixing bowl. Once the chocolate and butter is melted, put to the side as we need this to cool to room temperature. Take another mixing bowl and add your sugar and eggs. You'll need to whisk this on the highest speed that you have. And this usually takes about 5 minutes, depending on the settings of your mixer. It can take a little longer or it can be done quicker. But you want to mix until it's thick and creamy, like the consistency of double cream. Make sure your chocolate mixture is cool and then add it to the sugar egg mix. You want to gently fold the mixtures together with a rubber spatula. Be careful not to knock any of the air out. So go as slow as you need to until both mixtures are completely combined. If you use a figure of 8 motion, that will usually help combine them. Next, you want to add the flour mix into the bowl and combine using the same technique. This may take a little while to combine completely together, but keep at it and it'll soon turn fudgy. You want to stop as soon as it's all combined and add the chocolate chunks into the mixture and fold in until evenly distributed. Pour half the mix into the baking tray. Gently ease the mixture into the corners of your baking tray. Evenly place after eights along the mixture. You could substitute these for your own Christmas favourite treat. I would recommend putting them inside the mixture so you don't run the risk of burning any chocolate. So then you'll want to add the rest of the mix over the top. Put in the oven and set your timer for 25 minutes. To check it's done, shake the tray, and if the middle wobbles, give it an extra 5 minutes. The brownie should just be coming away from the sides of the tray and it should be crusty on top. You'll need to let the brownie completely cool in the tin. Once cool though, you can cut it and serve. The brownies should be nice and fudgy, and with the little mint twist, it's a delightful treat for the whole family. So I hope you enjoy these festive brownies.